Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Jana and on my channel I show you all different kinds of DIYs, but also a lot of pottery content. In today's video I'm doing a fun little project using air dry clay. If you haven't seen my videos about marbling air dry clay, I also recommend to check that one out, because in today's project I'm actually using the leftover scrap pieces of the marbled slab that I created over there. Of course, you could just wedge up this clay and create whatever air dry clay piece you want. You will end up with a slightly grayish air dry clay, which doesn't matter if you want to paint your pieces afterwards anyways. But I thought it was too sad to lose this nice marble texture, so I came up with an idea. I was inspired by a mirror frame from W.P. Sullivan that I found on Pinterest. So my plan is to create some little marble stones out of this air dry clay that I then attach around an embroidery hoop, creating a frame for a round mirror that I have. Not as big and luxe as the inspiration piece, but still quite unique, I think. So here are all the things I used for today's project. Air dry clay, an embroidery hoop, cotton earbuds, a round mirror, spray paint, super epoxy and hot glue, some glossy acrylic varnish, and a paper clip. I started by marking out where I wanted the stones to sit and drilled a series of holes into the embroidery hoop. Cotton earbuds are another main ingredient I used for this project, as well as the leftover marbled clay, of course. The cotton buds were cut in half and used as a base for the clay to sit on. I wrapped the clay around the cotton part and formed a bunch of different shaped stones. I shortened the sticks a bit and just stick them into the holes. Once I was happy with the placement and had decided which sides I wanted to display, I superglued everything into place. After drying, I taped off the stones using painter's tape. On the original piece, the marble stones are gilded in gold, so I want to achieve a somewhat similar look by spray painting the bottom parts in the same golden bronze spray paint as the frame. Before spray painting, I also sanded the inside of the hoop and made sure it was dust-free. I did 2 layers of spray paint and let it dry. Then it's time to peel off the tape. I have to say the super glue didn't do its best job, but the sticks sit so snug in the holes that they won't fall out anyways. I think that looks pretty nice already, but to give it even more shine, I also varnished the clay stones with a glossy acrylic varnish. To attach the mirror onto the frame, I figured a 2-component epoxy glue was the best choice, as hot glue dried too fast and was way too messy. Using a regular paper clip and hot glue, I also created a hook on the back so I can hang it on the wall. And this is how it turned out. I'm really happy with the outcome. I think it was such a fun project and a really good way to use those scrap pieces, and especially as an element in my gallery wall, I think it works so well. So let me know in the comments what you think about this project, if this is something that you would make or hang on your walls. And I thank you so much for being here. Feel free to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!